Alright, so today I'm going to do control arms, these big ones here, sway bar links, that's the small one here, and tie rods, which is located right there. I'm going to split this in videos, so if someone needs something specific, he will be able to choose. But I am going to start this video by doing the control arms first. So that's how it looks like. We have two bolts right there, one bolt right there, and one bolt above this joint, like so. So let's do now those two first. Okay. So we have here those tightening things on the other side. Don't forget to take them out. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's do the other side. And the last one is right here. It's noisy, but it's effective. So, let's compare. Let's see. So this was my problem, this noise here. Yes. The rubber parts are actually fine, but I ordered the whole thing so I can just do it for once and forget about this. But for sure, this was the problem. Let's see the new one. Yes. I can't even move it, so that should be fine. We have here our sway bar, and it's actually above our control arm, so I need to put control arm in between there. Now it's tight because of those sway bar links right here. I'm going to replace them at once, and it will be a completed job. Oh, I finally managed to take this off. This was my second problem. Okay, now let's put our new control arm back and finish this with a new sway bar link. Now we take those fastening ends. Put it on it like this, like that, and we're going to use our impact gun. Now this long bolt here on the side. Okay, now let's put the last piece to its place and our control arm is secured. Then we do our sway bar link and we're done. I don't know if you can see this, but you just need to push it down and put it to its place. Now we can put our bolt in. Like so. And secure it from the other side. This goes like this and that end goes right in there, but we'll have to pry it down a little with something. And don't forget our metal pin, so it will not come loose like this.